Is Rocket Money only for America? Intro. Hey everyone, a world where managing your finances is as easy as ordering a pizza. No more juggling multiple apps, no more late-night stress sessions over bills. Is this a dream or a reality? Well, for many Americans, it's a reality thanks to Rocket Money. But what about the rest of the world? Is Rocket Money just a US-only phenomenon, or can it help people worldwide simplify their financial lives? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Rocket Money. If you're not familiar with Rocket Money, it's a personal finance app that helps you manage your money more effectively. Here's a quick rundown of its key features. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money can negotiate your bills with companies like cable providers and internet service providers, potentially saving you money. Subscription management. Keep track of all your subscriptions and cancel the ones you're no longer using. Credit monitoring. Get alerts for any changes to your credit score. Financial goals. Set and track financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt. So, it's clear that Rocket Money offers a lot of value, but is it available to everyone? Rocket Money's global reach. While Rocket Money was initially launched in the US, it has been expanding its reach to other countries. Currently, Rocket Money is available in the following countries: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia. This is a significant step forward, but it's important to note that the availability of specific features may vary depending on your location. Challenges and limitations. While Rocket Money is a powerful tool, it's not without its challenges and limitations. Here are some things to consider. Regional differences. Financial systems and regulations can vary greatly from country to country. Rocket Money may face difficulties adapting to these differences. Data privacy concerns. Handling financial data comes with significant responsibility. Rocket Money needs to ensure that user data is protected and kept secure. Limited partner network. In some regions, Rocket Money may have a limited network of partners for bill negotiation. This could impact the effectiveness of this feature. The future of Rocket Money. Despite these challenges, the future of Rocket Money looks promising. The company has shown a commitment to expanding its services and reaching a wider audience. As Rocket Money continues to grow, it's likely that we'll see even more features and benefits for users around the world. Conclusion. So, is Rocket Money only for America? The answer is no. While the app may have originated in the US, it's rapidly expanding its reach to other countries. If you're looking for a way to simplify your financial life, Rocket Money is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.